Let's start here. It says find the standard deviation of this probability distribution. Let's go a step further and say find the standard deviation and mean. So you're going to do both of this probability distribution. Give your answer at least 2 decimal places. So whenever we're given a list like this with our x values and then the respective probabilities of each x value, the best way to go about this is just to use the calculator to calculate both of these things, okay? Standard deviation is very difficult to do by hand. So whenever you're asked to find that, you don't know the exact distribution, like you don't know it's normal or binomial or something like that, always use the calculator. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our stat menu. I'm going to edit our list. And if you have stuff in there, just go up to the actual L2 and you're going to hit clear, enter, and clear out that list. So my L1 is already 0, 1, 2, and 3. So if not, you can add those there. And I'm going to put the respective probabilities into L2. So I have 0.25, 0.2, 0.15, and 0.4. Once they're all entered, you're going to go back to your stat menu. And then we're going to calculate some statistics based off of this distribution. So I'm going to go over to calculate, and I'm going to do one variable statistics, the first option. Now it's going to want to know where the data is coming from. So the list of data is L1, that's where we put it. And then their frequencies or their probabilities, we put into L2. So yours is probably going to be blank. So to add L2 back to that spot, you're going to hit second L2, right above the 2 button. And then we will hit calculate. You'll get this readout. And so if I want to know the mean of this data, or X bar, that's going to be my first output. That's going to be 1.7. And then when it wants the standard deviation, that's going to be this value right here, the sigma of X. So if we say at least 2 decimal places, we'll make that 1.23. So this is going to be sigma 1.23. And there's your mean and standard deviation of this distribution.